In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a page break in Excel. If you've ever gone to print a worksheet and noticed your table gets split onto a new page in an awkward spot, you're probably dealing with a manual page break. Manual breaks are lines someone added to force a new page, and they override Excel's automatic pagination. Removing them is quick, and it restores a continuous flow so your report prints the way you expect. Start on the Excel ribbon at the top of your screen and switch to the Page Layout tab. This tab holds everything related to how your sheet will look on paper: margins, orientation, scaling, and, of course, page breaks. So, it's the right place to make this change. Next, look for the Page Setup group on that tab and click the Breaks dropdown. When you open it, you'll see options to insert or remove page breaks. Think of this menu as your control center for where pages start and end. Now choose Remove Page Break. That command deletes the selected manual break and lets Excel go back to placing pages automatically. If you don't see the option available, or it's grayed out, click any cell just below the horizontal break you want to remove, or just to the right of a vertical one. Then open the Breaks menu again and select Remove Page Break. Excel uses your current selection to figure out which break you mean. Here's a helpful bit of context. Excel has two kinds of breaks. Manual page breaks, which you can add or remove, are shown as solid lines in Page Break Preview and as darker lines in Normal View. Automatic page breaks are suggested by Excel based on your paper size, margins, and scaling, and they often appear as dashed lines. You can't remove automatic breaks with the Remove Page Break command. Instead, they shift when you change settings like orientation, margins, or scale to fit. That distinction explains why sometimes there's simply nothing to remove. The line you're seeing might not be a manual one. That's all there is to it. By heading to Page Layout, opening the Breaks menu, and choosing Remove Page Break, you clear out any forced page starts that were splitting your content. The next time you print or export to PDF, your data should flow more naturally without unexpected gaps. If your worksheet is wide or very long, you can combine this with adjustments to margins or scaling for an even cleaner printout. But the core step for getting rid of an unwanted manual break is exactly what we just did: